Hi, welcome back. In a previous tutorial, you saw how to create a communication queue, which was linked to a clinic. You can also create queues and manually add your patients using the patient filters. This is useful if you want to send out marketing or other information to your clients. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the patient filters on a communication queue to add patients to the queue. You will also learn how to use the visit data switch to filter patients by their visit type and when their last visit was. This feature allows you to send out letters, emails, or texts to your patients to advise them they are due for another visit to your practice. Please note, visits are a feature available only in the Premium and Enterprise subscriptions. First, click the Patient Communication tab. Under Communication Queues, select the queue type you want to create. In this example, we will use letter, but the process is the same for any queue type. Click the Add New button. If you're going to use this queue to send marketing information, then under Communication type, select Promotional. Otherwise, select Transactional. You can decide which is the most appropriate for your queue and the content. Select the template from the Communication template list. If you are going to use the visit filters to send out visit due reminders, then tick Update Patient Visits. When you check the Update Patient Visits box, it will increase the number of times the patient has been reminded about their next clinic visit. This helps you keep track of how many reminders you have sent for a patient's upcoming appointment. You can use this to filter other communication queues by the number of reminders sent out to patients and choose a different template to suit. Click Save. Your new queue will now appear in the list. Click on the magnifier icon to view the queue. Click on the Add button to add patients to the queue. You can use the general filters to select patients by age, gender, patient status. Or you can use the Limit Search To option to find a particular patient or group of patients. If you select for visit recalls, another set of filters appear. Using the next visit due on or after and on or before, you can bracket a date range for patients due in that range. You can use the number of invitations already sent filter to select patients based on how many reminders you have already sent them. Visit type can be used to filter by the type of visit the patient had. For example, you would probably want to send a different message to clients based on what they last attended for. Use the last invitation sent on or before to filter patients by the last time you sent them a reminder message. This will help ensure you don't send patients multiple messages in quick succession. Finally, use the Visit is Marked Complete filter to only select patients where they have a completed visit. That is, they have returned for their follow-up appointment. You could use this to select patients for a feedback survey, for example. Once you are happy with your selection of filters, click on the Save button. A list of patients matching your filters will be displayed, or an empty list if no patients match your search criteria. To add patients to the queue, click the checkbox next to each patient or use the Select All checkbox at the top and click the Add Patient button. Your patients will then appear in the queue. If this is an email or SMS queue, you do not need to do anything further as your messages will be sent automatically. If this is a letter queue, you will need to select which entries to generate and then click the Print button to output a PDF of your letters. You can send this to your hybrid mail provider or simply print your letters. You can add and remove patients from the queue at any time.